You know, Charleston is still cleaning up after Hurricane Irma, and Mappus Insurance is here to help us prepare for the next storm. Joining us today from Mappus Insurance is Andrew. And Andrew, I understand your daughter, 1 year old, this last Wednesday. I think we've got a picture of Poppy that's coming up here in just a moment on the screen. Is that precious or what, huh?
Oh, she's the most amazing thing. And
you told me that she's only 1 year old and she's been through 2 hurricanes already.
Already been through 2 hurricanes, so I'm training her to be a good insurance agent.
Absolutely. Let's just dig and get dirty with what's going on. With this Hurricane Irma, I'm sure that you were just inundated with phone calls after phone calls of people wanting to look at their insurance, upgrade their insurance, purchase new insurance, purchase maybe flood insurance and so forth. Let's break it down a little bit, because do you actually sell flood insurance?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
We sell a lot of it too.
Okay.
So the biggest thing with flood insurance is 99% of it is through the federal flood program.
Okay.
If you purchase flood insurance and it's not for a loan closing, then there's a 30-day wait before your coverage is effective. So we did have a lot of people calling before Hurricane Irma, the week before, asking for flood insurance, and we can provide it, but there's going to be a 30-day wait, so they weren't going to have coverage during Irma. So it's super important for people to understand that. Homeowners insurance
it's a different story.
Is different. So you can, if you called us the week of Hurricane Irma, we could place your homeowners insurance. As we got closer to Hurricane Irma coming, a lot of the homeowners markets were shutting down and not allowing for coverage, but up until about 2-3 days before the storm hit, we could still issue a new homeowners policy.
And when people start seeing that track or a track getting a little bit close to us, they start to panic. They wonder, do I have enough coverage? Is my coverage, is my deductible right for my income and for my house and where I live? And because if you live on the east side of Highway 17, it's a little bit different living on the west side of Highway 17. I know that much in Mount Pleasant anyway. You and I've talked about that. What should people really start right now, today, or at least this weekend? What should they look at with their insurance policy? And let's just kind of keep it pertaining to the hurricane season.
Well, two things. First off, get your phone out, go around each room in your house, either take a bunch of pictures or video to document all of your belongings in case a storm does come and destroy your home, or it could be, what if you have a fire next week? I mean, you just never know what could happen.
Absolutely.
So
I got that one checked off.
Write that down. Okay. The second thing is sitting down with your insurance agent and reviewing all of your coverages, understanding your deductibles, because there are different deductibles on your policy for wind and hail or hurricane damages, and you want to know that before the storm, not after.
Right. So. You know, people giving you calls, you were actually able to insure people. The storm came in on Monday. You were able to actually insure people on Friday and Saturday before the storm came in, right? We could.
Now, there's a part of that where it's, why did you not have insurance beforehand? So while certainly we can help those people, a lot of those were for home closings, actually. People were looking to close on their home, their new home purchase, so we were still providing insurance for them.
What if somebody had damage from Hurricane Irma? What are one of the first things they should do?
The first thing is file the claim, get your name on the list, because we have to keep in mind Florida and Texas were both devastated. So all of these insurance adjusters are having to be there as well. So get your name on the list. Document everything. If you have a loss, take as many photos as possible, but start the cleanup process as soon as you can. Don't delay it. Don't wait. Start the cleanup process.
You guys are also helping out Wynwood Farms through donations this year. Tell us about that.
Certainly. So every referral that we get, we donate $10 to Wynwood Farms. Whether we write the business or not, if you submit a referral to us, we will donate $10.
Why should people call you at Mappus?
Well, we're an independent local business. We have plenty of different options. We don't just represent one insurance company. We represent plenty of different insurance companies, so we can provide you with different options for your specific situation.
You're sort of a broker, so to speak. Can I say that?
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Give this guy a call, Andrew Muller, right here at Mappus Insurance. They're right here in Mount Pleasant. And thank you for being with us once again. And congratulations on that 1-year-old daughter. My goodness, she's a cutie pie. More on Lowcountry Live right after this. Stay with us.